The Bangladesh Bank Heist of 2016 remains one of the most audacious cyber heists in history. Hackers stole $81 million from the Bangladesh Central Bank's account. In early 2016, hackers infiltrated the Bangladesh Bank's network. The breach began months before the heist, allowing time to study systems. Using malware, they compromised internal systems, gaining access to credentials for swift transactions while avoiding detection for months. On February 4, 2016, hackers sent 35 fraudulent SWIFT requests to the Federal Reserve, aiming to transfer nearly $1 billion. The Federal Reserve flagged most requests, but 5 transactions totaling $101 million were processed. $20 million was recovered. The stolen funds were quickly laundered through casinos in the Philippines, converting them into gambling chips to obscure traces. The heist was uncovered days later as unusual activities were detected in the SWIFT system. Investigations were launched. Investigations pointed to a North Korean hacking group called Lazarus, linked to several high-profile cybercrimes. The heist highlighted critical vulnerabilities in banking cybersecurity, emphasizing the need for readiness and international cooperation. The Bangladesh Bank Heist serves as a cautionary tale for organizations worldwide, stressing robust cybersecurity measures and vigilance. As cybercrime evolves, how prepared is your organization? What steps can you take to prevent breaches? Stay informed to protect against threats.